So my pop on veneers came. Hooray, your new smile is here. Got me some retainer cleaner to keep them clean, you know. So when you do it, first thing you do, you know, you have to do a mold. You have to send it back. They send it back to you. So this is what my teeth looked like before. I had a bike accident about a year or so ago and kind of got a little subconscious about my teeth. I got a little gap here. And then this tooth sits kind of low next to my fang teeth. So, yep. So let's show them. They snap here easily, just like that, and bow. In there like swimwear, baby. I really like them. And those are my two fangs again. So they got me right. I like them a lot.
Reclaim your smile and smile with confidence again at Pop On Veneers. You heard?